Okay, good evening friends. Now in this video we are going to discuss arc welding process. See, it utilizes high intensity of electric arc to melt the workpiece metals. You see, in order to join these two metal pieces, we have to produce an arc of high intensity, so that what will happen, this metal will be melted and that liquid melted portion will fit into the gap of the workpiece. So after cooling, again we will get the single piece. See, either AC or DC current can be used for this welding process. Here the electrode is connected to one pole of the electric circuit and the workpiece is connected to the other pole of the circuit. The electrode used is made of metallic wire and its material is same as that of the workpiece material. Okay, the electrode is coated with flux material, that is cellulose, titania, and it produces gaseous shield around the weld to prevent the oxidation. See, in the diagram only I will explain you how it works. You see here, see, basically this is the workpiece shaded portion. Okay, this is the electrode. Now you see the electrode. Okay, you see here, this is the flux coated portion. Okay, this is the flux coating. This central portion is the electrode. So this electrode is coated with the flux material, that is cellulose or titanium. Why? See, when this burning of the electrode takes place, at that time what will happen, it produces the gaseous shield and it protects, okay, so that the atmospheric oxygen cannot enter here. Suppose if the atmospheric oxygen enters, so after the welding process the weld may be porous. Okay, so that is the main problem. See, this is the electrode. This electrode is connected to one pole of the battery and the workpiece is connected to the other pole of the battery. Okay, now you just see here, okay, so when we either AC or DC supply is given, what will happen, see, at the tip of the electrode, what will happen, the arc is produced. You see here, this is the arc. Okay, this is the arc, and because of the arc, what will happen, here the metal will be melted and that melted metal will flow into the gap of the two workpieces, and after cooling a single workpiece will be produced. See here, this much portion is welded, that means weld deposited. Okay, here this is the gaseous shield. Okay, this is the arc. Okay, this is the flux coating. See, generally the temperature of the arc welding is 5000 to 6000 degrees Celsius. Okay, what are the advantages? The process is simple and inexpensive. Skilled labor is not required and it is used for both ferrous and non-ferrous material. What are the disadvantages? More welding time is required. Weld spatter. See, what is meant by weld spatter? See, after the welding, small metallic portions will be deposited. On the workpiece, and again with the help of small files we have to remove that small metallic deposited portion. These are known as spatter, weld spatter. Then cracking are new few problems. Okay, applications. It is used in building and bridge construction, civil engineering, shipbuilding, mechanical engineering, boiler, mechanical engineering, pressure vessel fabrication, and joining of large pieces. Okay, now after that we have to study which type of electrodes are used in arc welding. See, basically there are two types of electrodes which are used. One is consumable and another is non consumable. Consumable का मतलब क्या है, जो वेल्डिंग के बाद ख़त्म होता है यूज़ करके करके, जैसा चॉक होता है ना हमारा, जस्ट लाइक चॉक पीस, it will be consumed. And non consumable means what, after the continuous use it will not be consumed, वो ख़त्म नहीं होगा. Consumable, they get consumed during the welding process. They act as the filler metal to fill the gap between the workpiece. They may be coated or non coated. You see here, अभी यहाँ ये इसके ऊपर कोटिंग है क्या, नहीं है, coating is not applied here, but here you see it is coating is applied, flux बोलते हैं उसको। क्यों बोलते हैं? यहाँ वेल्डिंग करते समय क्या होता है कि एटमॉस्फेरिक एक ऐसा प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर उसके ऊपर प्रोड्यूस होता है वेल्डिंग के टाइम, एंड एट दैट टाइम द एटमॉस्फेरिक ऑक्सीजन कैन नॉट एंटर इनटू द वेल्डिंग प्रोसेस। ओके, सो इट इज कोटेड, it is non-coated. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss tungsten inert gas welding, that is TIG, and metal inert gas welding process. Okay, thank you.